Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to pair QCY MeloBuds Pro with an Android phone. If you want to pair your QCY MeloBuds Pro with an Android, first, if it's initial pairing for the first time and your headphones are new, then when you open the lid, mine don't have it because mine have already been used by me. But if you are opening your headphones for the first time, they will have a protective film here and it'll cover some pogo pins here at the bottom. So what you should do is take the earbuds out of the case, peel off the protective film, put the earbuds into the case and close the lid. This will activate the earbuds for the first time. And then you can open the lid again, take the earbuds out of the case. You can directly put them in your ears now. Then on your phone you should get to settings, and in the settings, hold on a second, okay. In the settings you'll find network and internet. Then all you should do is, connected devices. On different Android phones it may be in different places, but here on a Google Pixel it'll be in connected devices, then pair new device. But it can be in somewhere else, you just need to go to Bluetooth settings. Now you'll find your QCY MeloBuds Pro. Select them. And now you can allow access to contacts and call history, so you will be able to hear call announcements and more. Let's enable that. Of course, you can leave that disabled. And let's click on pair. Now they are paired. And if you want to watch more videos on the channel, feel free to see that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.